Hello everyone and welcome to our project presentation. Our project is titled Personalized AI Tutor. I am Atharva Khanvilkar and I will be introducing our project to you. We would also like to express our sincere gratitude to our project guide, Mr. Amit Singh, for his continuous support and guidance throughout this journey. The main goal of this project is to design an AI tutor that can dynamically adapt educational content based on the learner's needs. Traditional AI systems often deliver static, one-size-fits-all answers. In contrast, our approach uses knowledge hypergraphs and generative feedback loops to customize responses and learning strategies in real time. By addressing learners' misconceptions immediately and evolving as the learner progresses, this tutor aims to offer a far more personalized, effective, and transparent learning journey compared to conventional AI models. Now let's understand what the problem this system is solving. Most current track systems focus on surface level retrieval without considering how learners differ in background, pace, or learning style. As a result, students often receive redundant, irrelevant, or even biased information, and the system makes no effort to adapt over time. There's no mechanism to track learners' progress, address specific weaknesses, or dynamically shift teaching strategies. In essence, these systems behave more like search engines and not like real teachers. What we need is an intelligent tutoring system that personalizes content, evolves based on the feedback, and actively guides the learner toward better understanding. That's exactly what this project aims to build, a tutor that grows with the learner.
Proposed solution: Smarter Learning with RAG. We are building a next gen RAG system that uses dynamic knowledge graphs, has adaptive retrieval, continuously improves with feedback loops, and leverages cross modal integration. First, dynamic knowledge graphs. Think of it like a smart mind map. It understands deep relationships between concepts. It helps connect topics better than just listing facts. Second, personalized retrieval. The system picks the best info based on where you are in learning, focuses on giving you clear and deep understanding. Third, generative feedback loops. The system learns from you. It adapts its teaching style based on your answers and progress. The goal is to keep you engaged and make learning smoother. Lastly, cross modal integration. Not just text, it mixes videos, diagrams, and quizzes together. Makes the experience more fun, interactive, and immersive. This is our system architecture, where we have 6 layers which will be explained as follows. First, the ingestion layer. The ingestion layer comprises of input sources and the pre-processing engine. The input sources could be anything like research paper, textbooks, studies, lecture notes, etc. Next, we have the pre-processing engines, which include the multimodal indexer, which organizes different types of content. Next, we have the OCR engine, which extracts text from the scanned images or PDFs. The next layer is the knowledge graph construction layer. The goal is to turn raw information into structured knowledge. We do that by using user embeddings, hypergraph builder, and misconception detection module. We store all this in a database. We use specifically two databases, a hypergraph database and a user vector database. The hypergraph database stores the concept graph, while the user graph database stores user profiles. Next, we have the retrieval layer. Here, we find the best and the most relevant knowledge. The first is the multi objective retriever, which balances between multiple goals, and it comprises of dense retriever, symbolic rules engine, and graph traversal engine. Next, we have the concept map generator, which builds a mini mind map of concepts relevant to the user's query. Now, all this is feed to the next layer, which is the context optimization layer. The goal here is to refine response before sending it back. Now, we use multi-agent critic system. We have different AI critics that evaluate the answer, and we also have the confidence pruner, removes less or weak answers. Lastly, we have the generation layer. Here, we create and deliver the final response. The response generator forms a clear, user friendly answer. while the feedback loop learns from the user reactions and updates the system. What is graph rag? The main idea of graph rag is that it is a better rag by using knowledge graphs. We are not just finding similar text, we also find and understand relationship between ideas. How it works? Indexing. The text is converted into vectors and graph connections. Then we use retrieval where it finds smart related answers, not just matching words. Why is it better? Smart retrieval, deeper understanding, and more accurate answers.
So, our personalized AI tutor is powered by a layered approach. Starting from how knowledge itself is organized, we map educational content into hypergraphs, capturing not just topics but how they connect and influence each other. Then, we smartly search across this map using a blend of methods from deep learning models to symbolic logic, ensuring we find the most relevant knowledge, not just the most obvious. To stay accurate and up to date, the system constantly prunes and reshapes its knowledge through real time feedback from the student. We also bring in a variety of media, videos, quizzes, diagrams to make the learning experience richer and more interactive. Finally, reinforcement learning fine tunes every interaction so the AI tutor doesn't just teach, it learns how to teach you better, adapting to your style and pace. The result? A tutor that goes beyond surface level facts to uncover deep understanding and correct misconceptions. It adapts you as you learn, adjusting pathways to meet you exactly where you are. Fairness and transparency are built into the system, ensuring that every learner gets an equitable, personalized, and explainable experience. And by making learning more personalized and responsive, we aim to boost retention, engagement, and overall performance.
To summarize, our project Personalized AI Tutor aims to bridge the gap between traditional learning and personalized education by leveraging the power of machine learning. Through our proposed solution, we have demonstrated how students' learning experience can be made more adaptive, efficient, and engaging. The integration of techniques like GraphRag offers further enhancement by allowing our model to retrieve the most relevant information. Moving forward, the system can be expanded with more advanced models, real-time feedback mechanisms, and broader dataset to support a wide range of learners. Thank you for your attention.